I honestly wouldn't be where I am today without the faculty at NAU. Grad school is important to me because I wanted to further my education and become a teacher. I'm a GTA, so that's a graduate teaching assistant. So at NAU, while I am fulfilling my classes to get my degree, I also teach public speaking. What makes grad school at NAU special is the faculty. Everyone is just so willing to help you get onto the path that you want to be on. In grad school, I feel like it's a lot of hard work, but it's really rewarding. The jobs that I have now are because of the connections I made at NAU. I've been able to network a lot more. Working with a smaller group really opens your eyes to different disciplines and different interests. You get to make stronger connections with those people. I love being able to work alongside people who are going on a variety of different career paths. And I think that's what's so special about getting a master's degree is not everyone's going to get the degree for the same exact thing.